Hi, I am Jenny McKenna with McKenna Property Management, and we are about to walk the property at 6119 Shadow Oak. So we're going to first talk about the fact that our front yard has a lot of grass. We like that. We want to keep that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a landscaping company come out, do a one-time cleanup and a fertilization so everything has a good start. And then every other week it is going to get mowed and trimmed. No tree trimming, just the lawn is going to be mowed, and then those things are going to be removed from the property. This is $85 a month, so we need to budget $85 a month for the landscaping service. As we look at the property, the outside has just recently been painted. There's a few things I want to show you. So right now, the outside of this, it doesn't feel quite right because they've painted the actual door trim this yellow color. I would like to see this door trim painted white. I would also like to see some of these things down here repaired, which brings us to what this garage door is. It is not operational right now. There is no way we can lift this up and actually use this as a garage door. A tenant may require this to be replaced. If we replace this, it's about $700. So you need to budget. If a tenant wants to utilize this for an actual door, we will have to replace it, and it's about $700. So I just want to make sure that we have all that. This one's great. It's on an auto door opener. This one is not. Okay, so let's come on and see that. So this is all good. Love this. Blinds are great. Carpet is great. Paint is great. Kitchen is great. Appliances, perfect. Nothing that we need to do here other than janitorial. So we do need to make sure that we get the janitorial done so everything is spotless and clean. But I love everything that they have done with this kitchen, that granite. All of that looks great. Backyard. One day there is going to need to be landscaping that is put back here. Right now we don't need it, but we will have Augie come out and do the one-time cleanup back here. So he'll get all of these things removed. He'll just make sure there's no weeds. So that will be done prior to the tenant moving in. And we've got some big ones over here they're going to have to pull out. So that's just really, that's a weed. And that's a random palm tree, but that's okay. We'll do that. Like these coach lights, this is great. Like all the recessed lights, that's great. Cabinets have all been painted, very modern, excellent. Master in here is fine. This all looks good, just needs to be cleaned. This, not so good. So we got some issues right here. We have a faucet that moves too much. So I want to have new sinks with possibly new faucets. If we can use these faucets, we'll use them. So this does need to get a little bit of work done on it. Toilet is fine. Master closet is fine. We do have a little bit of a crack here. We're going to leave it, but I just wanted to note that. Bedroom is good. This bedroom is good. Both of them are identical. In here, we have a little bit of an issue with the drain stopper. Toilet's good. Tub's good. We do need to get a shower rod in here, so we will install a shower rod. And then we will get here to the laundry room. There does need to be a washer and dryer set installed. So we will get a gas dryer and we will get a washer. We'll get that all hooked up, make sure the hoses are all good so that the tenant has a washer dryer set. Then we will come back out to the garage. Love this floor. Garage door opener is good. Everything on this is absolutely fine. So this is a very good property. Very little needs to be done to make it